Hot sauce. We got Gdepps famous king, well, baked king crab legs. Yes, sir, baby. And claws. Got Gdepps famous all-purpose rub on there. Coming soon. eBay. Yes, sir, baby. We got those Gdepps famous fried shrimps. Yeah, definitely hot sauce. Got the all-purpose rub on that too, baby. Like I say, this right here, coming soon. We got the jerk seasoning coming too. Got a little sauteed asparagus. A little lemon up in there, a little onion, a little olive oil, a little garlic. Can't tell you everything. Oh yeah, got Gdepps famous all-purpose rub. In that too. Definitely hot sauce. Then we got the potato. Well, baked potato. Yeah, I got the Mexican cheese, a little green onion, a little butter, that's it. A little basic right there. Definitely hot sauce. Oh yeah. These right here are king crab legs. Coming off the plate. Definitely hot sauce. See what I'm talking about? This one right here? From one end to the other. And it's the same crab leg, man. Yeah, exactly. Straight hot sauce. Go dogs. This right here is definitely a hot sauce dish. Gdepps famous all-purpose rub and jerk rub coming soon. eBay. Stay tuned, baby. Definitely a hot sauce dish. Bake 15 minutes. Flip. Then bake another 15 minutes. The melted butter, garlic, herb. Oh yeah, this right here is Sriracha. I did say Sriracha. King crab legs. Well, baked king crab legs with Sriracha. See, it's already scored for you. So that score right there, once the melted butter, Sriracha, the garlic, whatever, it goes into that crease right there. So that whole crab leg got that seasoning. Definitely hot sauce. This right here is Gdepps famous baked Sriracha king crab legs, fried shrimp, sauteed asparagus, and that pepper potato. Definitely hot sauce dish. Go dogs.